Prepare yourself and take charge of your health to track COVID-19 using Kankato COVID-19 Caregiver Cockpit. What you have to do: install Kankato Patient app on your smartphone. Open the app once the download is complete. Select the COVID-19 menu. Register as a new user with your valid email and password. COVID-19 module will automatically activate after registration. Open COVID-19 status on the homepage. Document your health statuses like temperature and breaths per minute. It is not mandatory to give SpO2 value. In case you have a device called pulse oximeter, you can document the SpO2 reading. Watch your videos to know about how to measure each value. If you have to visit a hospital, then follow these steps. Once you reach the hospital, open the Kankato Patient app on your smartphone. Flip your smartphone to get a screen with QR code and your valid details. Allow the physician to scan this QR code, maintaining the social distancing. Thus, the Kankato COVID-19 module eases the current situation of the healthcare system.